Let's explore two major trends in healthcare today: consolidation and diversification. Approximately 30% of medical physicians remain in private practice, and the group medical practice has become the most common model. It's a trend rapidly becoming prevalent in chiropractic as well. Chiropractors across the country find safety in numbers because consolidating services is a more cost-effective, stable means of delivering healthcare to the maximum number of patients. This shows up in the increasing number of multidisciplinary practices across the country. One-stop shopping allows patients to receive multiple types of healthcare services at the same location. In the future, this will include numerous healing modalities such as nutrition, therapeutic massage, acupuncture, and other disciplines. This trend, appropriately referred to as diversification, requires a mastery of the next trend by the chiropractic practitioner. This is called specialization, otherwise referred to as outsourcing. In the past, the chiropractor was the jack of all trades and often a master of none. A diversified, consolidated practice requires the chiropractor to take on a more entrepreneurial and administrative role than ever before. While the chiropractor of the past focused primarily upon patient care, the chiropractor of the modern paradigm will focus primarily upon cost-effective orchestration and delivery of multiple services. The chiropractor needs to surround themselves with highly effective coaches and professionals who can support this endeavor. This means outsourcing all the functions not directly in line with the chiropractor's role as healer, administrator, and entrepreneur. Employing professional coaches and consultants such as practice management consultants, financial planners, billing specialists, and marketing specialists will allow the chiropractor to be successful in his or her new role.